trouble won't throw me, won't break me, won't scare me no more. Fear must have thought I was faithless when it came from my heart. 'Cause I got a song that will never die. I know your love is the reason why. I'll sing the night into the morning. I'll sing the fear into your breast. I'll sing my song into your presence. Whenever I say let, let the devil know not today. Took up that cross. Tell me, did the darkness cry mercy as you rolled back that rock? 'Cause I know your love is the life in mine. I know your love is the reason why. I'll sing the night into the morning. I'll sing the fear into your praise. I'll sing my soul into your presence. Whenever I say your name, Jesus, let the devil know not today. Whenever I say your name, Jesus, let the devil know not today. No, no. Not ever again. Your love stood down death, crushed the devil's head. Fear is just a lie, running out of breath. The fight beneath your feet, I'm standing on Jesus' name. So let the devil know not today. Let the devil know not today. No, no, not ever again. Jesus, let the devil know not today. Not today, not today. I'll sing the night into the morning. I'll sing the fear into your praise. I'll sing my soul into your presence. Whenever I say your name, Jesus, let the devil know not today. Let the devil know not today. No, no, not ever again. Jesus, let the devil know not today. So let the devil know not today. So let the devil know not today. No, not ever again.
Well, Joel and Maddie, thanks for coming by.
Thanks, man.
Man, let's talk about this song, Not Today. Actually, we just were with you guys last night. You guys did an amazing worship time in Nashville, and this song was toward the end. And Joel, I thought just some of the thoughts you had around the song were just so encouraging for all of us there. And I want you to talk about that a little bit. But man, this song is such a victory song, and so many people connected. We even noticed like how people are engaging with the album. This song is really popping out as one. People are like, man, I love that. But talk about this song and just, man, where did the idea come from?
Well, yeah. We wrote the song together. It felt like a country song when we started. Maybe it still is a country song. I don't know, because we didn't have a lyric, and it was just this melody that was just kind of really nice. And again, it kind of got to actually after we recorded it, still didn't know what the lyric was going to be. And
on its own as well, without the lyric, it felt like a kind of it's okay. It didn't feel like much of a song. So.
And then we're just playing around, and Maddie actually had a lyric for another song that we're working on, which it was the fear is just a liar running out of
Time, which turned into breath.
yeah
Much better.
Good change.
I thought you wrote breath the whole time, but anyway.
Take it.
So, and then it wasn't really fitting in that song, and so that actual line kind of just gave wind to what this song became, and it was just the whole "not today" thing. Like people say it all the time, like "not today, Satan" or whatever, and I was just thinking, man, like it'd be fun to have a song that's just like almost just mocking the mocker, you know, and I think sometimes we often give so much, like, well, Christians in particular, we give so much, like, credence to the devil that he doesn't deserve, you know? And it just in life, we blame him for stuff, and I'm just thinking, like, the devil's a liar, like, that's all he has to offer is lies. The best thing he can do is confuse people. If he can't, he's been defeated once and for all. If we believe that what Jesus did on the cross is like it's finished, then the devil's done. Like when Jesus got up in the Garden of Gethsemane and he crushed the serpent's head, it was like saying, all right, you had your time, like it's done. But the thing is, for us as human beings, we still can operate out of our flesh, and we can still, and sometimes I think we blame the devil for stuff that I just don't think he's powerful enough to do. Like if we knew the authority of God, if we knew the promise that we have in God, then I think we would just live completely different lives when we tackle real challenges. And like the world's full of battles, and there's seasons for all of us. You know, like following Jesus doesn't mean like a perfect life. It means that we're going to face troubles every single day. But with it, we have God's mercy, and with it, we have God's promise that He's overcome the world. And so the song was really just kind of a sense of, man, let's just put some words in people's mouths if they're willing to sing it. That's just a confession that that is kind of just putting the devil in his place and reminding him of the name of Jesus. And I think, you know, time and time again when Jesus, the disciples are trying to like cast demons out of, you know, something, like there's a little boy, I think in Luke chapter 9, and they can't do it. And Jesus just like, guys, like, what's up? You know, and I think even now for us, sometimes we can like strive to do stuff that we've actually got power to do if we just rely on who Jesus is rather than try and do it all in our own strength. So the only time the devil gets a chance is when we try to do stuff in our own strength. When Peter is called, when Jesus says to Peter, "Get behind me, Satan," which is pretty harsh, you know. The reason is not with Peter, with the best of intentions, said to Jesus, "I'm not going to let anyone kill you," you know, which is like a really noble thing. Like Jesus is like, "Get behind me, Satan," like basically get out of the way. And I think that's what happens with us. We're like, okay, we have to fight these battles in our own strength. We have to like do it. And Jesus is going, hey, like just get out of the way and watch what happens, you know? Wow. And so that's, the song's fun. And when we sung it the first time, which was only a few days ago for us now, we did it last night. We sung it, it was in New York, and literally every single line, like, and plus Taya's got the sweetest voice, and it's such a gutsy kind of like, yeah, you just curse the devil kind of, you know, song. Yeah. But every time Taya sung a line, the whole place would erupt, and it was so awesome because it was like just one after the other, and it got to that you crush the devil's head, and I was like, ah, fear is just a liar, run out of breath. It's like, yeah, you know, and it's like I'll sing your prayer. Yeah. You know? So it's really fun. Like I can't wait to kind of just see it unfold as people get to know it.
And that's kind of what good preaching is all about, just reminding the church like what is. Yeah. And that's what this song does, is reminding you of what the reality is.
Also, we thought, wouldn't it be cool like just to not even say the devil's name, just say like just do duh, and then like you know? Yeah. And so people wouldn't know if we're swearing or not, you know, it'd be like a rap song, you know, on the radio. I don't know why I'm saying that, but it'd be real fun. So if you have a problem saying devil, giving him that much cringe, just go duh. Or just don't say anything. No, not today. Yeah, doesn't deserve it.
That's good.
So I shouldn't have said that, huh?
Well, Maddie, walk us through what you're playing on this song. On the record, it's obviously very produced, keyboard oriented, but it actually breaks down on a guitar. I know you guys write most of your songs just with guitars, and just kind of walk us through the chords for it. Yep.
So we start on, the song starts on the 6th. Oh no, it starts on the 1, but then it goes to the 6th for the verse. Which is like, that's the turnaround as well, but it's kind of what you just did the verse.
Da 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 da.
Pre-chorus.
I know your life is a life in mine, and I know your love is the reason why I sing the night into the morning. I sing the fear into your praise.
Found my calling.
I'll sing the soul into your presence whenever I say your name. Jesus, let the devil know not today. No breath. Fear is just a liar running out of breath.
Changes here.
Da 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 da. Let the devil know not today.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, super easy.
Yeah.
Those passing notes are super cool. That's what kind of gives it that movement, that punch a little bit. So, guys, thanks so much for sharing the song with us. Really great. Thanks for the hand signals as well, Joel. It's really helpful.
Yeah, anytime. That's what I'm here for.
I'll sing the night into the morning. I'll sing the fear into your praise. Who am I that the highest king would welcome me? I was lost, but he brought me in. Oh, his love for me. Oh, his love for me. Who the sun sets free, oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. Free at last, he has ransomed me. His grace runs deep. While I was a slave to sin, Jesus died for me. Yes, he died for me. Who the sun sets free, oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. I am who you say I am. Who the sun sets free, oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. say